if your snare and your kick are fighting, it's like your kick is limping, you know, like it's one step and then and we want a consistent kick throughout the whole track. So inverting the phase of the snare here gave me that consistency. And then I go into the bus with all the drums. With Fuser, I'm adjusting the phase. Let's solo the lows. Yeah, pay attention to just the kick. Try to notice how this affects the consistency of the kick. Much tighter. So that's what we're looking for. Feel strange,